Pizza, a cheesy, doughy disc loved by many across the world. I'm here at Pizza Hut in Delhi, the national capital of India. India loves America's fast food exports, and Pizza Hut is no exception. I've tried Indian Dominos, but the word on the street is that Pizza Hut may be superior. Well, today, I'll be the judge of that, and we'll see if Dominos India can be topped.
Welcome to American Tries Pizza Hut India. We are going to be trying one of the cheesiest pizzas in all of India. You better be prepared for some epic cheese pulls.
How long can this cheese go? We're breaking world records here. It's still going. It's still going. Oh.
Watch as I pose for an ultra cheesy thumbnail. We're gonna be trying the triple cheese pizza with a cheese sauce and a cheese stuffed crust. Then we'll try the Italian sausage pizza, a blend of traditional Italian flavors. Last, we're gonna be trying some spicy baked chicken wings. It's time to head inside Pizza Hut India and get this show on the road. All this fluorescent lighting and pizza-related decoration is making me hungry. It's time to make our order. First, we're gonna be digging into a mega cheesy explosion. This is the triple cheese pizza. This baby's got mozzarella cheese, a cheese sauce, and a cheese stuffed crust.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ.
I've never seen such a cheesy pizza before in my life. Now this is the double cheese pizza with cheese stuffed crust. That's right. I like my pizza with triple cheese. I'll admit, I'm kind of a weirdo. You don't like it? Well, you don't pepperoni me. Pizza Hut didn't even bother to put tomato sauce on this baby. It is only cheese. Nothing but bread and an explosion of cheesy goodness. How long can this cheese go? We're breaking world records here. It's still going. It's still going. I might as well start flossing with this baby. Oh! Oh! I was wrong. There is a sauce on this baby. This is like a cheesy Alfredo sauce underneath the stringy mozzarella cheese. We've got multiple layers of cheeseception. Ooh. Nice garlicky Alfredo sauce. That is delicious. I'm not lying to you, ladies and gentlemen. That is a delicious Alfredo cheesy sauce. I've got to say, this cheese stuffed crust has stolen a piece of my heart. Now, compared to Dominos India, this crust is more doughy and puffy, and it's got a nice chewy bite. And of course, it doesn't have that corn flour on the bottom you see at Domino's.
Next up is the Italian sausage pizza.
I'm gonna be trying the chicken sausage pizza with onion, tomato sauce, and cheese. Oh man, I am hungry, and I never sausage an appetizing pizza in my life. Oh. Let's dig into this puppy. Look at those nice caramelized onions, nice crispy bits of chicken sausage all up in this cheesy tomato sauce mix. Ooh, nice spicy, traditional Italian flavor on that sausage. These beautifully crispy onions are like the cherry on top. This is a robust marinara sauce, lightly spicy, and less sweet than Domino's tomato sauce. Next, I'm gonna dig into these spicy baked chicken wings. I'll admit, I don't have much of a script for this. I'll just have to wing it. Chicken wings from Pizza Hut. I'll admit, this was a daring move. These babies look to be absolutely covered in a spicy buffalo sauce. And apparently they're baked and not fried, so these are a healthier alternative to fried chicken wings. Let's dig into these spicy... Alright, whatever. My mouth is already burning from that spicy sauce. but the texture of these wings indicates to me that they may have been frozen.
These were possibly the worst wings I have ever had. They deserve a big fat 0 out of 10.
Now, I just noticed this bell by the door. What is this? Taco Bell? It's like I'm in the pizza temple. When in Pizza Hut, you ring the bell when you leave, I guess. So that was my experience at Pizza Hut India. As far as a comparison to Domino's, it's a toss-up. I love the cheese-stuffed crust that Pizza Hut offers, but at the same time, I do prefer the crispiness of the Domino's crust. If you want to see more of my food-eating adventures here in India, then subscribe to Source and Flow and smash that like button. See ya. Oh, I was gonna walk off.